Sheesh. A mess back here. We are cooking up something super weird today. Yet another thing I've never done in the mountains. And I will show that to you. We're getting crazy. Garlic chili crunch oil. We got some of these little seaweed snack wraps. Japanese barbecue sauce, sweet and spicy. And a yellowfin tuna steak. We're gonna make like little grab bite tuna seaweed things. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I am still out of butane. So we are going to cook on the Howl again because it worked really good last time. So, look at this bad mamba jamba. Oh, they put it in a bag. Oh yeah. Oh, guys, forget about it. I love me some tuna. I don't have any cooking oil for the pan, so Christy here came up with the idea to use some of the oil out of this chili oil. Ooh, baby. First time in my life ever cooking tuna on a mountain. Ever. Well, all right. It's that time of the day, people. First beer. And one for me, of course.
What is that?
Whew. We came up here to get rained on. We got rained on a little bit, but seems as if the storm is burning off. The sun's gonna be coming out here soon, but there's no complaints. It's about 75 degrees. Feels fantastic. The Howl just burnt the back of my knees. Did not feel wonderful. So yeah, let's cook this steak. Well, this is pretty bitchin'. Somebody left behind this little shelter lean-to. And you come over here and somebody had a big structure built, probably with tarps. That's pretty cool. I miss doing stuff like that. Just flip this sucker. No complaints. Hell yeah, buddy. Whew. A little of this on there. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is a first. The moment we've all been waiting for. Just gonna pull this all apart, and I think we're gonna do it just like these are pretty much crackers. We'll just set the fish on there and put whatever juice we want and just go from there. I melted my bed rug through the plate. Oh, that's a big whoopsies. And we are back to the Food Network. All right, so this is like the end result here. Just a simple little snack that you eat over and over again. Let's rate it. With just the chili oil, I'm gonna rate that like a 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it with the Japanese barbecue sauce. Significantly different. Both about a 5 out of 10.
I'm gonna do yours.
I'll say a 6 out of 10. The sun is still shining. We do have some more storm clouds coming in here, but I don't think they're gonna drop anything on us. So we're gonna start packing up and we're gonna head back through the trail. Kind of a bummer. Out here in the desert, you usually gotta chase after the rain. Sometimes you don't get it. Sometimes you get a little. Just like today.